Hi, today I've ZTE Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So let's just try to unlock the device with my face. I just tap it just to try a couple of tries to make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face just to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock was here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.